Wee video update. The diff killer has got a different diff in it. Funnily enough. Ah dear, I had to invest in a £65 rover. Range Rover V8 diff, which is actually a BMW X5 diff with the same ratio as what I had in it anyway. So guess what? She's fitted. She's in. I would obviously custom fucking make everything up, cut flanges, make prop, make modifications to the fucking front to suit the prop, cut and shut the cradle to suit it at the front, got the brackets made up at the back to hold it up onto the floor. But yeah, it's working. The reason why that's in is because it's got big output shaft flanges, as in internally inside the diff, whereas the cosworth ones don't. And they snap right at the spline. So that's that done. More power next.